Israeli children have been documented persecution. In the statement on the website of the organization, Israeli security forces exposed to ill treatment including 11-year-old Palestinian boy was shocking to 6, where the boy said. 4 of East Jerusalem. It was noted that 2 of these children living in the West Bank in December of 2014 and March of detained by Israeli security forces for allegedly throwing stones. Children have suffered ill treatment while in police custody where they remained exposed, where concern was expressed horror and ongoing. The statement, revealing bruises that occur in the serene images of children wear one body, the status of families of children taken into custody was reported that documentation be informed. According to the statement, as well as the 14-year-old girl 15-year-old boy to 2 written statements it was signed in Hebrew. In addition, Israeli security forces statement signed by one of the boys, as Bunchenkuk, he said. The organization's statement, that the Israeli security forces frequently these children and throat were recorded with sound bombs at them. 2 boys said they missed their urine while they were detained by the authorities out of fear of the organization, said that they had difficulty sleeping and nightmares because they saw that they had 3 children 64 to 14-year-old daughter, 15-year-old boys from the one held in custody 110 days. Families were not given permission to visit their children during this time. Human Rights Watch's Middle East Director Sarah Leah-Whitson, Palestinian children ill treatment by Israeli security forces, contradicts the claim that respects children's rights. Israel's largest military contributor to the U.S., abuse including must make hard-pressed to end in reforms to this application. I made the assessment. The findings of the organization presented to the Israeli Armed Forces and the Israeli Police in response to the Israeli Armed Forces and the Ministry of Justice said not to address these allegations.